Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some funnel cake cupcakes. Super easy to make, so if you enjoy making quick and easy recipes, please hit a like down below and also hit the subscribe button and join the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We're going to first start off with our dry ingredients, and don't worry, I will have everything linked down below. But right here I had 2 cups of flour. Also, I'm adding 1 cup of pure sugar. Now we're going to be adding our baking powder, which I'm using 1 tablespoon. Next, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of vanilla pudding mix. Now we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Now we're just going to give everything a good stir just to get everything well incorporated. Now we're going to get started with our wet ingredients, which I'm going to be using 2 eggs. We're going to use 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Next, we're adding 1/2 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And now we're going to add 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now we're just going to mix up the ingredients. And now we're going to start adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients slowly, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. And make sure you're not over mixing, because then your cupcakes will come out kind of thick and tough. Now we're going to be adding our cupcake batter to our cupcake pan, and I'm going to be using a ice cream scooper. And a lot of you guys know that, watch me from the beginning. I always make my cupcakes and use the ice cream scooper just to get the precise and exact measurements for each cupcake. So that's just a quick tip. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and I enjoy making quick and easy recipes. I post like 1 to 2 times a week, so please, if you can, have your post notification bells on. That way you can be notified whenever I post. And thank you again for just tuning in. And if you've been rocking with me from the beginning, thank you guys so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. Now we're just going to place our cupcakes in the oven on 350 for about 12 minutes. In the meantime, let's get started on our mini funnel cakes. So what you're going to use is some buttermilk pancake mix, and you can use whichever brand. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cups of cold water. Now we're just going to mix it until we get our batter. Now you're going to add your batter into a squeeze bottle, and you can find these at the 99-cent store or Walmart. I will try to leave everything linked down below so it's easier for you to find this stuff. Or you could just use a sandwich bag and fill it up and just cut the corner out, whichever you prefer. Now we got our fire on medium-high heat, and I'm going to be using a top of a jar can, and we're just going to try to make a little circle, and the top is just to keep it from overflowing. And we're just going to let them cook on each side for about 2 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Now we're going to get started with our whipped frosting. The first thing we're going to do is get 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're just going to mix on low just until the cream starts to thicken. So now we're going to be adding 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're just going to slowly add this in and continue to whisk. And when your icing is done, it should look something like this. Nice, light, airy, and fluffy. And I ended up making more than enough. So if you guys end up making a lot of other frosting, you can store this inside of your refrigerator and it'll stay cool for about 2 to 3 weeks. It's really light, so you could use this on top of waffles, on pancakes. It's really good. So now that our cupcakes are nice and cool, we're going to go ahead and top them off with our frosting. And I'm using the Wilton Star Tip, just in case if you guys were wondering. And guys, look at that technique. I tell you, I came a long way as far as it comes to putting this frosting on. If you look at my first cupcake videos to now, I'm really proud of myself.
And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar.
Now we're just going to top them off with our little funnel cakes. And aren't they cute? They just came out so perfect. I should have made more and just froze them. Can't forget the powdered sugar. And just like that, we made ourselves some delicious homemade funnel cake cupcakes. Super easy to make. I hope you guys get a chance to try it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like down below. Also leave me a comment. And also check out my other content. I have a lot of delicious recipes. And until the next video, y'all stay safe out there and peace.
Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.